So, what can nails reveal about your health? Have you ever wondered if your nails can reveal anything about your health? Let's unravel the mysteries of your nail and what it reflects about your body. So, nail is a very important part of our body and it covers our fingertips, and the fingers are used for so many activities. It feels more of pain, it has a lot of nerve innervations, and the nail, which covers the tip of the fingers, has different components. It has the nail plate, it has the cuticle, it has the nail bed, and this is an area which is aesthetically also very important. So, nail forms an important keratin, the hard material which protects our fingers and prevents sudden shock when we are trying to do any work. At the same time, it seals the skin so that there is no entry of water, bacteria into the skin type. So, when you are having any sort of wet work and your cuticles or nail plates are not okay, you end up having more infections. So, what are the signs of a healthy nail? The nail which is healthy reflects overall well-being. It is something with a pinkish hue and it has strong nails which don't peel off easily. The cuticles are all intact and it's not opened up, and at the same time there is no discoloration along the nail plate. There are no growths, there is no pain, etc. So the nail offers very valuable insights into how is your inner health. A lot of systemic diseases like liver problems, your calcium, etc., can reflect on the nail plate. So if you see ridges, if you see color difference, keep a close watch. Remember that there are so many liver conditions which can show up on the nail plate. We have half and half nail, where you have half of the nail looking whitish, the half of the nail looking pinkish. Then you have ridges on the nail, you have white spots, and all of these indicate a certain phase which you are going through in the body. So, whenever there are certain malignancies or things which can be more concerning, also can show up on the nail, like you can have a melanoma, or where a dark ridge can appear. Remember, these dark patterns or lines on the nail can also be benign or something which is not dangerous. So, how do we know the difference? The type of the color, the intensity, and if it touches the cuticle. This dark line, if it is very thick, touches the cuticle, etc., then you have to be making sure that you're taking yourself to a doctor to get this analyzed. And apart from this, the most common condition that we as dermatologists see is a fungal infection. It's called onychomycosis. So, very common in people who do long hours of wet work. It comes as a yellowish discoloration and the nails are chipped off and it usually spreads. So, this can be treated very well and you have to seek help. When you have these any changes on the nail, it's always better to reach out and be sure than to sit and wait it out. So, nails also are a part of our aesthetic presentation, and nowadays there are so many products which are applied on nails, like gel nails and UV induced colors and the normal nail polishes. Remember, nail polish is a chemical, and there are times when it can be harmful for it. The gel nails that are used, the acrylic nails, etc., can chip off your nail bed if it is not done the right way, and the chemicals and the UV rays can be cancer causing. So when you are using your nail aesthetic procedures, please be mindful about the repercussions. Also, when you cut your nails, remember that if you don't cut it straight but you go and cut it internally, you end up having ingrown toenail or fingernail, and this leads to infections in the edges. So remember to cut it straight always. Don't try to cut it in a ridge. And in this way, you can prevent the painfulness which happens when you cut it wrong. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into your nail.